Hey, Botswana ka yena Manyangatsi komisa namuhla kale tin'wana ndza mlosa loko ro subscribe kombela subscribe. So yesterday I raised the concern late after listening to show ya Munghana Lonene ya Gongomela, and I received a lot of backlash in the way of vulgar language, kulana puta, ruketelana, personal attacking. Then I realized there's one thing that we're missing out as a nation. There's a difference between disagreements and fighting. There's a difference between disagreements and hate. Because I don't agree on the same principle as you, it doesn't mean that you must hate me or you should treat me like an enemy. No. So I raised an issue, and this issue was, this show is not suitable for radio ever talk. And I said mainly because Swita on happy community starts on. My main concern was vana lavantsongo. Someone raised the issue yaku vana va vatlela around 10 o'clock. Then I said, we're living in the 20th century as they want to kwipala. So like 21st or 20th century yakona vana va not phone. Let's say vana va vatlela around 10 o'clock. But then hyping this thing. Hey, Munghana Lonene, Gongomela. They will want to know. Then they will not sleep the next day. They will want to listen to this show. Okay? Sharp. As I said, banana phone. Someone said the phone litia banana tona. Banga kota ku access hinkwaswo leswi swi vulavuriwaka ka Gongomela without listening to the radio. As I said, there will be a difference here, the experiences of people who write on the internet. Tindhawu ku hambana, ririmi, the experiences. So it's much more simpler with MLFM. It's much more dangerous ku bayingisela Gongomela than ku tlhavetela the phone passage, because they can connect with the person who writes those things on the internet, because majority of those things are written by doctors. The question and answer about those topics, doctors, philosophers, and many other people who don't connect with them. Why? Because they don't live in the same places, they don't have the same experiences, resources, accessing, and a lot of things. So it's much more possibility online, but then because MLFM, the people who are speaking language is very important in understanding. So the language. Experience ya wona vana lava yana experience ya lava swi vulavulaka laya. It's much more of the very same thing. That's why fanana loko votisa mulungu from UK va ta advise mina hi financial stability, na loko votisa munhu va ka Mutavula ta advise mina hi financial stability. There are much more chances that I'm gonna understand va ka Mutavula clear than well UK. Let me move on. So loko vana lava va tlhela va yingisela swilo leswiya, it goes back here ku siku ta va, because vatswari va swi vulavula, vana phela va langutisa vatswari ku loko ku ri vatswari va swi endla leswiwani va swi endla hi ndlela leyiwani, then there's nothing wrong with it, because hi vona vatswari va kahetsa ku vanhu va endla swa wrong. So they will get used to that language ya ku vulavula swilo leswi at an early age. Then our communities are over. The respect that sex was treated with and care, it's over. It's over. Conversations about sex and everything should be treated with respect, not answer li yendlo ku ya gang amoyeni ka Munghana Lonene. West part depanda ku. Let me continue. So someone Collins Ngambule raised the issue of the codes and conducts, the regulators, the airplay at the end. Then I said majority of these codes and ethics they are not the codes they maximize profit And once you maximize profit, it means you have to compromise a lot of things, including respect. You have to compromise a lot of things, including the community standards. Community stuff. So all in all, I'm saying this show is not suitable for a radio like FM. You can't tell me about the 20th century oku look to himself. Info, religion, culture, and ethics don't evolve. We are Africans. Religions, culture, and ethics don't evolve. Once one religion evolve, and then I saw themselves. Once you want a culture say evolve, it means you are now distorting our culture. Be careful, Xitsonga. I'm just saying this because this one is a bad taste. That's a bad taste in our mouth for a long term. But you're gonna find your children speaking about these things and you won't even know what to say. Majita, be careful. Don't listen to these things, you might end up raping people. I'm gonna rule out of proportion. But if the show continues in the honor ethics, respect, and all these other things don't evolve. Let's not allow excuse with the 20th century. Savage, you're giving them a chance. And then they limit because of this show. But anyways, it doesn't mean no fighting, it's just the disagreement at large. But those who agree with me will not go. I'm being correct. But anyways, I'm gonna look subscribe. The comment box is open. Usually, what do you think about this show? Is this show suitable enough or it's not? I'm bullying someone. Can send